The patch panel is pretty much welded in place, and I really botched this job. I tried getting ambitious and trying in more advanced methods. Then I was kind of panicking because I was having problems. I was switching to, I tried oxyacetylene. That's what these heat circles are. That didn't work out too good. Here's one here. Then I even tried TIG, which was a disaster. I was trying to melt this rough stuff, and it seemed like I burned a big hole in it. So I went back to very basics, just tack welds with the flux core welder, and I filled in about 6 holes. There were like 3 here, there were holes all over this from my mistakes. So I did get them filled. It's not what I wanted, but I think it might be okay. This area here, when I cut the metal out, see, there was a rust hole here, which should have told me that the rust extends around that area, and I wasn't careful. When you turn this over, you can see the rust extended out here, and it extended over here. But as I said, I wasn't real careful, and when I went to patch it in and I went to put a tack weld here, it burned through on the left side. So that's what made me realize there was rust back here. So today I trimmed out little pieces, and then I look at the edge to see how thick the metal is in there, and on this side here I see it's not thick all the way across. The top was good, the bottom's not so great. Then I extended it a little bit further. I think it's so. Now I'm going to try to put a little piece in there. But the lesson there was, when you cut out the old, you have to look at the back of it and make sure there's no rust going further, even if the front surface is good. But this was a dead giveaway when I had a hole right there. I have that little extended patches in there. I just realized I burned that down pretty deep right there. That's going to take filler. I just sanded off the whole surface. I'm gonna probably phosphorize it, etch it with some acid a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to fill in the divots with some body filler, because you're supposed to put body filler on bare metal. Now I put a little layer of body filler on that. Not too great, but as long as it's over, thicker, no problem. You can always sand it off. I'm not going to fuss over that. Hopefully I filled in those little cracks with the welds. This is temporary. I had to cover the bare metal with paint. I didn't do the body filler properly. I just put it on quick. I didn't fully sand it off. So it looked good, but once the primer hit and the paint hit, it shows every possible defect, of course, and that's why it doesn't look too great right now.